Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Igbe here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. I am back with new remote job leads, and we're going to be focusing primarily on healthcare roles. And we have multiple positions open. We're going to be exploring data entry roles. We're going to be exploring data analyst roles. We're going to be exploring different opportunities from CareCentrix to other organizations such as University of Maryland Teaching Hospital and so forth. They have quite some opportunities open right now that they are accepting applications for. So let's dive right in. The first opportunity is with this organization called Shura Health. So this organization, again, the name of the organization is Shura Health, and this organization is looking for a data specialist level 1 CODA position. Okay, he's looking for a data specialist level 1 CODA position. This is a fully remote position. As you can see on here, Shura Health is a rural critical access hospital and is seeking a full-time data specialist to assist in the health information management services department. So you're going to be working very independently. You are also going to be working collaboratively with others within the team. And what are your functions? What are your responsibilities for this position? You are going to be responsible for reporting statistical information. You're going to be assisting to derive data and performing quality improvement activities based on that data. You are also going to be performing coding evaluation, ICD 9, 10, CPT codes, and so forth. All they're asking for is for you to have internet bandwidth that will allow you the capacity to have VPN connection. Also, they're asking for you to be able to be flexible with your hours and so forth. So that is really it with this position. And based on this position, they are saying for you to have a high school diploma or GED. And also, in addition to that, they're asking for you to have a billing specialist certification or other applicable certified coding program, registered health information technician RIT, or direct on-the-job training for coding with 1 year of coding experience preferred. So if you don't have any of these certifications, you're asking for you to have training on the job. So 1 year experience of coding, okay, 1 year coding experience, or must be able to complete and pass a coding certificate program within 2 years of hire. So even if you don't have any of those, as long as you are able to take an exam and pass it within 2 years of being hired with them, you should be good to go for this position. Okay, so with this position, they are expecting you to work approximately 80 hours per pay period. This is a very busy organization, so definitely go ahead and check it out. And the hours of operation for them is 8:30 to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. The next position is admin analyst with American Specialty Health. Admin analyst, and this position is paying $15.50 per hour. This is a fully remote role and it's an administrative position. It's admin analyst, that is the title. And with this position, you are going to be supporting administrative functions. You are going to be ensuring that different databases are up to date as far as change in request goes, as far as information for patients for different members go, to make sure that they are reflected accurately. Also, you are going to be ensuring that a specified timeline or TAT for certain functions are being followed accordingly and so forth. So that's really primarily what this position is going to be about. This position is a non-phone position, so you will not be on the phone for this position. The requirements, qualifications: high school diploma is required, 2 years computer experience, including word processing, database management, and spreadsheets, and so forth. So that is it for this role. So once you're ready to apply, you just hit apply now. And the salary again is $15.50. The next position is with Elite, and it's medical services support level 2. and this position is open and accepting applications right now. You are being asked to have high school diploma or GED for this position, but it is a preference, so it's not a requirement. Even if you don't have that, you can still apply. Preference 0 to 2 years of relevant experience. Additional experience that is not required but would be a plus is CRM or another computer database, data entry experience, customer service experience, and so forth. So with this position, primarily, they are not requiring you to really have a lot of experience. So because you're saying 0 to 2 years, and it is a preference as well, so which means that if you don't have an experience, they will still consider you. Okay, and with this position, the salary range is between $15.94 and up to $21.63 based on many factors such as location, skill set, education, and so forth. Okay, and that is per hour. Benefits eligibility may differ depending on full-time or part-time status, so which means you can potentially work as a full-time or a part-time employee with this position. Okay, the next position is with University of Maryland Faculty Physicians Inc. University of Maryland School of Medicine. They're looking for patient access specialist level 2 as well as level 1. Let's go over level 2. Level 2 and level 1 have exactly the same requirements. So they're asking for you to have high school diploma or GED as a preference, minimum of 2 years of medical office or call center experience, entry-level computer skills, strong customer service, phone etiquette skills, and accurate data entry skills. So that's really all they're requiring for these two positions. So, and with these two positions, they are open and accepting applications right now. And there is a level 1 and a level 2. Level 2 is a promotional opportunity to level 1. So level 1 and 2 are open at the moment and accepting applications. The next position also is with University of Maryland Medical System. They're looking for a coding compliance auditor. This is a fully remote position. And with this position, you are going to be performing a lot of auditing type of function with ICD-10s or medical coding in mind. With this position, they're asking for you to have high school diploma or equivalent. Okay, high school diploma or GED equivalent. Bachelor's degree education will be considered in lieu of experience. So if you have a bachelor's degree, they will consider that in lieu of experience if you don't have enough experience, because they're asking for 2 years of ICD-10 and PCS coding and abstracting experience with a level 1 trauma hospital or 4 years of experience with coding inpatient hospital medical records, 2 to 3 years ambulatory coding experience. So that is what they're asking for. So even if you don't have those experience, as long as you have a bachelor's degree, that may be considered in lieu of the experience. Okay. In addition to that, one of the following is something they are also asking for. We talked about RIT before or RIA before. So these are certifications that potentially you can get to qualify for this position. Okay. So that is it for this position. We are going to move on to the next position. The next position is with CareCentrix, and this is a customer service position. This is a telephonic role, and the salary range is between $17 and $18 per hour. And with this position, you are going to be trained, and they are hiring for multiple positions, and the class start date for the training is July 17th. Okay, so with this position, they want you to have high school diploma or equivalent, minimum of 1 year medical terminology, healthcare, or medical services experience. Okay, that is all they're asking for. Again, the salary range is between $17 and $18. The next opportunity also with CareCentrix is healthcare data analyst, so focusing primarily on provider analytics. This position is on the higher end, is between $45,000 and $80,000 per year. And with this position, they're asking for a bachelor's degree and 1 to 3 years business experience, preferably in healthcare industry. Or they're also asking for SQL Tableau experience as well. Again, the salary range is between $45,000 and $80,000 per year. Okay, so that is it for this video. Those are the leads. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already, and turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post new videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye bye.